No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Alex L'Oreal. Today I got my MIG welder. As you see, it's a hand MIG. Comes with the helmet, the wire, the gun, the ground clamp, a little brush, and the hose, and the welder itself. So let's get to opening this. I got it on Amazon for $3.19, and I believe it was like 20 bucks of tax. So not bad for a MIG welder, at least. And then I got my CO2 tank back there too. In the next video, I will be showing you guys my first ever weld with this. In this video. Damn. Yeah, so this is the. I don't know if these are connectable really. So here's all the wires. Here's the clamp. It's pretty legit. Better than a Harbor Freight. I have been welding with the Harbor Freight for like about a year. There's a little thing. Looks kind of weird because it's an angle. The other one comes out to like right here. So I would have to be getting used to that. Here's the, oh shit, it's actually pretty big. Here's the brush and a little hammer thing to hit. Here's a little thing that converts from your gas or from your gas tank into the hose. I'm done. There's the gas hose for the gas. And then next is the welder itself. So I'll go back to the clip when we open it. Alright guys, so you get the box out. This is right here when you get it out. This is a little instruction manual. We're definitely gonna use this because I don't know. You get I think this is the flux core wire, and then you have hopefully the MIG wire, so I can weld today. Yep. Yeah, this is a MIG wire. Oh shit, they're not thing on me. Alright, so that's basically all you get. I don't know why it says you get a mask. Oh, well, you do get like little shaded things, but you don't get like an actual full mask like it is on here. So, yeah. But here's the welder itself. I'm thinking. Oh, the mask is in here, guys. Oh, oh, it's a fucking chop ass mask. Well, you can use it when I'm showing you weld. It's like really flimsy. Well, but yeah. Here's the inside. I don't think you guys can see it, but Lincon Electric has nice little hinges there. Oh shit, that kind of scared me. You have the on-off switch, the speed. Oh no, not the. I have no idea what this is, but it's like the low or max, and then you got the wire speed. It's pretty cool as well. And then you got the gas thing in the back. So now that's basically it for the thing. So here's the clamp, and I will show you guys a close up on the welder itself right now. Alright guys, so that was my first ever little montage. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. when I recorded the actual unboxing video, it's been like, I want to say a month. So you see the welders here. There's a bunch of new stuff that kind of haven't showed you guys, but it's okay, because there's gonna be some pretty fucking badass videos coming up. I'm gonna go 60 on my go-kart for kind of fucked up, but I'll explain that like in an upcoming video. But here's the welder. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know how I did on that little montage thing. Thank you guys. Bye.